Mutongoesya wa Makoani ma Mwenenthi Renson Ingonga Niwaelesya Kana Kuselew'a kwa Makoani Mavinda Maingi ta Wothotheeawa ni Undu Makoani Matwaiia'wa Indi Unyivu wa Athukumi Ovisini wake ainena Niwaelesya Kana ovisi wake no thukuma kwa bakuve na no thukuma bakuve na kunikili kwikithia Makoani mavika Koti ni umethiwa na ukuse wa kuyana ni kana kusia Kuselew'a kwa Makoani aya Onesmus Chalo no kutwelesya.
Director Makoani ma Mwenenthi Renson Ingonga ni wekithisia Indi kana ovisi wake no thukumite wa Undu vailite utena malalamiko ma Indi yulwa Useleasya kwa Makoani.
In so far as prosecution is concerned, we have enough staff. And you see, when somebody says delay without being specific, anyone can say, yeah, and you must know that there's no one who has no defense in anything you ask him. Yeah, there are no delayed cases. If there is any delay, maybe it's just reviewing. Because ordinarily when you bring, you must understand that the investigators take a long time in investigating some of these cases. You know, investigations can take even a year. I'm quite sure you're aware of that. Ordinarily, in most cases, it will take like a week to peruse through a file, then we return back to the investigators, either to charge or to close or to do further investigations if the investigations are incomplete.
Ingonga no wetakana mathina sumevo ende mayumanite na kukosekana kwa Athukumi thini ovisi wake ende Wothotheeawa ni mitaratara ya Athukumi ya makoti wa nthi ya Kenya.
Justice that is delayed has so many facets to it. You know, a case can delay to take off because of witnesses, because of the court, but rarely would you find, I don't think if you have ever gone to court and you found there's no prosecutor. Every time there's a prosecutor. So, and whenever a case delays, maybe witnesses were not available or the defense is not ready. You know, the law allows for adjournments as long as the reasons are valid. And I have said it can be defense process or a magistrate not sitting. You know, if a court is not sitting, you don't transfer to another court that is sitting. It is only that court. That means that you'll get another date. But we are trying as much as possible to liaise with especially with the investigators, so that anytime we are in court, we have the witnesses, so that we are able to proceed without having to adjourn.
Kwena na kadi kanambe wa Makoani kuvikwa Koti ne DPP no kithasi kanambe no kusi wa kuyana na weketwa kunikiliwa kuyana wetakana etambele engete kwikithia akine kikabate kuvingisa mitaratara ya kimea. Ingonga wetakeka bindani kala watambuka baketui kuthoko Mavisini make vamusini wake tui kusisi Undu thoko mwithitwe Matwaiia'wa. Deliver tabling wa Mutongoesya TV. Niw'O Chalo.